it's Pete back here, and so now currently the special events still Final Round 6 haven't started, okay, and like let me see, because okay, so we still finished third there and no one actually beat that time, so let me claim the back 50,000 credits. But now the main thing is what I got in the World Series. Okay, I finished in top 3,000. What's my rank? Okay, 2,913, very close, but still I got it. I normally do a better rank, but then again, before I've never done the YouTube channel, I've never opened the channel. Okay, so because of channel posting videos, I'm having some problems. Also, there's other works of mine. Okay, so anyways, let's claim the rewards. So what do we get? So we get 5 Zenvos, 3 legend packs, 10 import parts, 73,000 credits, and customization pack and 200,000 credits. Okay, so let me claim everything and see. Okay, so what do I get from this one? I gotta see. So 30 Corvettes. Okay, 36 Corvettes. Yes, that's really useful. Okay, now I think I can skip now. Okay, so I got a Camaro hood which is gonna be traded. But the good thing is my Zenvo is now started up. So yep. So I have a 2-star Zenvo now. So okay, I have a 2-star Zenvo now. I know we further have to work on this, starting up this car. Okay, so let me just take a snapshot for my team Indian Cheetah. What the? Okay, so this is the first time that we don't have a someone. Okay, someone unlocked the 0-1 there. Okay, so we don't have any multiplayer series, and that's actually very surprising. That never happens before. So here we have 2. Okay, so 2 events are ending. I think I'll do this video on the car hunt or anything. Okay, so Dragon Boat Festival gives 50 tokens, 100,000 credits, and 5,000 credits, and some trade coins. 30 trade coins. Okay. So now, can we get something from here? Can we get an epic import part? Let me skip it. Did I get an epic import? Okay, so I got one. Okay. So I got one epic import part. Let me snapshot that too for my team. So as I've said before, that my racing team in here, it's the Indian Cheetah, and they also have the YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description. Go follow them. Okay. So that's that. Overall, this car hunt, I would say it was good since it actually gave us something. Okay, so since we don't have anything much to do right now, and since there's still 18 minutes left for the Final Round 6 to start here, so we'll do this in the evening video. Okay, the Grand Prix. But for now, let me do the crate challenges. Okay, let me do the crate challenges and let me do the car hunts maybe, because this is the first time actually. You know what the most surprising thing is? That there's no multiplayer series. I mean, normally there's multiplayer series is normally in, but then again that's expected. That's actually expected, because in my update discussion video, or maybe in another consecutive video, I said that the multiplayer series will have a series rewards along with the league rewards. So I think they're still working on that. That's why they haven't actually given us the packs. Okay, so I think that. Okay, so now let's see what we can do. Okay, so I think wait. Maybe there's something else we can do. Actually. Let me concentrate on the season missions here, because if I remember correctly, I did not do these season missions. So I think it will be that good to do the season missions here. So it's episode 8 here, Wild and Rebel. So first it's Urban Blaze. Okay, let me do one by one. It's first Cairo, Urban Blaze. Okay. So first I gotta find Cairo, Urban Blaze, and in the Lamborghini Centenario. So in the Centenario, so for that I think the best will be to go to the S-Class. Okay. So let me see. Classes Norway's classes. I'm looking for Cairo Urban Blaze. So let's see. I think many people already have done these missions, I think, but whatever. I'm just gonna show you guys. Okay, so Cairo Urban Blaze is in class S rookie. Okay, for those who haven't done it yet. And since it's a class S rookie, you can always use the Centenario here. Okay, so we have to beat 85 seconds here. Okay, so let me do it. Yeah. Now the thing is, the main question right now on the situation in my mind is that will I get the SC18 or not? Will I get a key? Because in my tire, which is a tier 4, the top two positions get the confirmed key, and there are packs from the third position, and I'm in the third position, and I know in one round, even if I place first, I won't be able to catch up. So we'll have to just see that will I get the key or not. I mean, I really hope that I do get the key, because I mean the SC18 has actually performed very well compared to others. I mean, the start of the Grand Prix was very shaken, but apart from that, I mean, I would say in the later ones the SC18 actually was a good car. Okay. Okay, so I'm drifting here. Okay, I'm still drifting here. Okay. So drifting here. But I think we just missed it. I think we didn't do it actually. I think we actually didn't do it actually. We were slow in some part, I think. Yeah, we actually missed it. Okay, where was it? Number 7. Let's try it again. We actually missed it, and you know what? Let me upgrade this. I mean, let me equip some import parts. Oh, hello! I didn't know we had a Centenario epic import part. I'm gonna equip that since I have credits now. So this will give plus 9, this will give plus 13, hello, plus 10, plus 13. Okay, so I think I'll equip this on the engine only. Yeah, let's equip this on the engine only. So I think that's pretty much for this one. Let's go. You know, the best thing about ending this multiplayer season was that you get a whole lot of credits, and the credits are actually very much needed. So, like, we are very close. I think in the next multiplayer season, which is 1 month after when the next season ends, I think if they give us proper Corvette blueprints, we should be able to unlock the ZR1. Because I didn't unlock it in the Rimac Grand Prix. Okay, so yeah, I was actually more interested in Jesco, but the Jesco Grand Prix it wasn't a Grand Prix, it was a Drive Syndicate, and it was in those Drive Syndicates only that we got introduced to all Ashford players got the names of RPM Alex and RPM Fuel. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna quit this one because I know I have no chance of winning there. Let's try it again. This one is actually very hard. I mean, who knew a season mission would be so hard? I mean, like, I've like raced 100 times on those broken bridges, and like on the reverse direction, yes, there are probabilities where I have crashed, but on this forward direction, I think this is the first time I've crashed in any car there. So gotta be careful here. Okay. Okay, so I'm drifting here. Okay, so let me change the route here. Gotta be careful not to wreck, because that barrel roll, actually, if you mess up the angle, there's a palm tree nearby which you can crash into inevitably. So you gotta be careful there. Okay, there goes barrel rolls. Whoa, whoa! This AI is just, I mean, come on, guys. These AIs are hard, and I think this one is gonna be a long video. I mean, obviously we're not gonna do it. Come on, we just wrecked. I mean, I don't know, man. These AI is actually disturbing. Now once we have crashed, after that they don't come. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. That was bad. I just wasted for the credits. Come on, man. We gotta do better. We gotta do better here. I'm gonna make this a long video, I think. Let me take all the time I need. I mean, come on. Like, I've maxed it out to the maximum as possible for me. Come on. We should be able to do it. There's no way we can't do it. Come on. If that wreck hadn't happened, we would have definitely won that one. I mean, sorry, not won. I mean, beat 85 seconds. 85 seconds is 1 minute 15 seconds. Okay, so we're going. Okay. So we're drifting here. Whoa, he just wrecked. That could be a problem actually, that he slowed down and actually his wrecked car ran into mine. So I think maybe, I hope I don't. These AI cars, come on, man. Come on, guys. I've completed the season. What the hell are you guys trying to do? Okay. Okay. Drifting. Okay, now is this... How the hell, man? Okay, so we'll have to try this mission another time. I just waited for centenary fuels on this one. Come on, let me try something else. I mean, really, what is the point of making a season mission that much hard? Anyways, that's a pay to win car. Come on, man. What's the point, man? Whatever. So reach top 3 in a race. Okay, so that's a lot. Okay, so I think we'll be able to do this one. 10 objects, destroying 10 objects in a single, yeah. Okay, can I complete 2 challenges at once? So let me take a B or S class car Lamborghini for that one. Okay, so let's go to Lamborghini experience here. Oh, sorry, there's a special event. Let's go to Lamborghini experience here and let's race. B class. Okay, so that's the Asterion. So I need to do some shockwave knockdowns here. Yeah, I'll play anyway. What the? Come on, I pressed it like 3 times. Okay. I mean, I'm a bit depressed here. I mean, I don't know what was the point of that mission we just did. I mean, beating it around in place. Maybe I'll try to, I don't know, I mean, today I don't think I'll have time because I have a lot of work, plus Centenary will take a lot of time to, recharge its fuel. So, let's see. this video is actually just on. Okay, so I need shockwave knockdowns, not just normal knockdowns. Okay, so I need to destroy some objects. Whoa, is it the same trap? Oh man, destroy objects, man. Okay, so that's 6. I think we just destroyed 6 objects. Come on, guys. Last time you were crossing me like hell, and now this time you don't want to cross me at all. How is that fair? Okay, so that's 1 shockwave knockdown. Okay, at least I didn't wreck. I think I completed destroy objects 1 also. There's no problem if you don't do the shockwave knockdowns. We'll just do it in another one. I think we just did 1 shockwave knockdown, you know? So we've destroyed a lot of objects here, I think. Actually, this is also Urban Blaze actually, now I realize this. Okay, so we got some reputation for a club. And I think we completed 1 challenge. And we got a card pack. So we'll have to see what we get. I think let's just get the card pack and end the video here. So let me see. Because we don't have much to discuss here. I mean, I had planned to do a multiplayer show on Class D, but there's no multiplayer season now. Okay, tap. Okay, so we got a new sky skirt for a K-Man. Let's see. Let's equip it. Let's equip it and see. So that's the K-Man. Okay, that's the K-Man. And as usual, yep. Okay, so we have something new on the rims also. Broda. Okay, but I think Stonehaven is a bit of the BBS style rims. So I actually prefer that only. So let's see. Okay, that's actually a good skirt. Okay, I think we'll go with this skirt only. Yeah, I think we'll go with the RC skirt. I think, but we do. Oh wait. Okay, so we can't actually balance that, is it? No, wait. Let me see. I had a bumper like that. Let's equip it. Yeah, let's equip it. I mean, the car will be much more, aerodynamically stable there. So, yep. So I think that's it for this one. I mean, there's nothing much to do here till, 3 minutes, but I'm not gonna wait for 3 minutes. Let's make it in the evening video for that one. Okay guys, so just leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and please share my channel and my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then guys, stay safe and keep speeding, okay? See ya!